Hey, what's up everybody? It's Controller Freak here, and I've made some more origami, and these are really cool origami, and this one here is called the star ball. It's really big, but it's really easy. This is called the time jade. As you can see, it's got like these top tails like one of the sand times. This here is a jade. This is a hexagonal box. This is the wheel, and it's really cool and easy, and this is what I'll be showing you for today. Now, what would you need is 8 pieces of paper, origami or plain paper, and first grab just one of your pieces, turn it to the light side, fold it down in half, then fold it back to the middle. Now open it up, and there should be 2 line creases there. And now what you want to do, you're going to fold this one and do the middle crease together. So you fold that and get that middle. So you should have 1, 2, and 3 lines of creases. Now what you do, put this side facing towards you, pull it up, then down, and then down again. So it should look like this. Now for the crease that's right here, you fold it as long as you can so it points, and you do the same to the other side. Now the piece hanging out here will fold back, so it would look like this. And then you would fold it all the way up to there, where that corner is. Do that on the side. And we should have 2 creases here. Now we fold this up, turn it around, then put the corners and fold in behind it like this, then re-crease it back up there, and then there you have it guys, the first piece of the wheel. Now you're gonna have to make 7 more of these, and let's go.
So won't you ride with me, see where this thing goes. If it's meant to be, it'll be, baby, if it's meant to be. So come on, ride with me, see where this thing goes. So come on, ride with me, baby, if it's meant to be. Maybe we do, maybe we But if it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be.
Okay guys, now once you've got all the 8 pieces, now you can join them up together. And so you grab one of your pockets and there will be a little opening there, and then you grab the second one, and then you slip them into sides, both sides, and then you keep doing it around and you go backwards. Okay, here we have it guys, the wheel, and it's really good and really easy, and you're just going to move it around and just crease this in a bit more. There we go, the wheel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down in the section down below, and I'll give you a shout out if you do all those things, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.